Rifle Chute is the 6th rapid in the Snake Rapids section of the lower Madawaska River. It is also the toughest. In high water, this is the only rapid to earn a Level 4 classification. However, despite the wave train's impressive appearance, Rifle Chute is actually quite simple, as it is basically a single feature at a very large scale. The river passes through an elevated shelf with a clean, wide tongue. The pool below is deep enough that capsizing is of no consequence. The classification is mostly a function of size, for the height of the initial drop and huge waves. Being relatively safe, many paddlers take a classical approach directly down the center from the clean flow into the chaos. But when the tongue ends, the fun ends, as the river becomes a heaving mass of random. There is only a small window of opportunity to survive the maelstrom. Too much speed, and the bow is driven into the waves, filling the canoe with water. Going too slowly results in an overall loss of control. In many cases, tandems swamp, or are turned sideways by the waves and capsize. Here is Xander Budnick's brother Max and Thais. The international scale of river difficulty includes the concept of a mandatory maneuver, and for Rifle Chute, this is why Class 4 applies. A single feature requires a simple move, in contrast with those lining up on the tongue who are often not headed anywhere in particular. At Rifle Chute, a target objective is needed, to reach the left eddy as high as possible and avoid the wave train altogether. For the especially aggressive, this could mean paddling over the ledge on the extreme left and directly into the eddy. Here is Alex Trainer and Noah Booth of Northern Scavenger. This front ferry across the current loses some ground and enters the eddy late. These examples start higher above the tongue, using a shallower angle, and succeed in driving the canoe into the eddy directly behind the rock.